And 24 number is which group contains only indirect cost, and C option is depreciation of machinery, factory rent, wages of factory supervisor. These all are indirect costs. And 25 number is a manufacturing business provide the following information: prime cost, factory overhead, office and selling expenses, work in progress at 1st January, this is opening work in progress, and work in progress at 31st December, this is closing work in progress. So first we will add prime cost plus factory overhead, then plus work in progress, and office and selling expenses are not the part of the manufacturing cost, so it will not be included in manufacturing account. The remaining four items will be added in manufacturing cost. What was the production cost of goods completed? And B option is correct, 299,000. We will see the working on the next slide. Prime cost is $250,000 plus factory overhead 50,000 plus work in progress opening inventory 1500. This is all equal to the 301,500, and less work in progress closing inventory, that is 2,500, and we will find the production cost of goods completed, that is $299,000. And 26 number is which items are statutory deductions from an employee's gross pay? And D option is income tax and social security contribution. Statutory deductions are those deductions which is mandates from the government, like income tax, statutory contribution, security, social security contribution, and federal tax and provincial tax. This kind of deductions is called statutory deductions. And Cream works 40 hours a week at a rate of $5 per hour, and any overtime is paid at time and a half. He is paid monthly in arrears. He worked 12 hours, 16 hours and 18 hours overtime in May, June and July respectively. How much was Cream paid in June? Assume 4 weeks in a month, and correct option is B, $890. Now we will see the working of payments of June to Cream. 40 hours in a week multiply 4 weeks, we will find out the whole months, and then we will $5 per hour, $800 per month. He earned $800 in a month of the June, and overtime is 12 hours multiply 7.5 per hour. The company paid the overtime from overtime of previous months in following months, like the May's overtime will be paid in June, so we will calculate here overtime of May, 12 hours in the May, multiply 7.5, because the company is paying full time and a half for overtime, so 5 and a half is 5 plus 2.5, 7.5 per hour, so 90 will be calculated. 90 pound will be the result, so 800 plus 90 is equal to 890. Payment of Cream in June. And 28 number is what is included in the working capital ratio, current ratio, but not in the quick ratio Acer test ratio. Inventory is not included in the um, uh, quick ratio. It is included in the working capital ratio, that is called current ratio. Kim has been in business for many years and expects this will continue. She provided the following information: premises at cost 50,000, at market value 65,000. There are two values of premises, 50,000 and 65,000. We will take the 50,000. Why? Which value will be less? That will be taken in the statement of financial position, not the greater value, market value. Or if market value will be low, then market value will be taken. So here cost is lower, so cost will at cost will be taken, the cost value will be taken. And trade receivable at book value 14,000. Trade receivable include a debt of $2,000 which was unlikely to be paid. It means 2,000 can be bad debt, so it will be deducted from the trade receivables. At which total value were these assets recorded in the Kim statement of financial position? So A option will be correct, $62,000. Assets less liabilities is equal to capital, total value of the business. There are only assets, so total assets is equal to capital. 50,000 plus 14,000 less 2,000. 2,000 will be bad debts and 14,000 trade receivables, and 50,000 is premises. So $62,000 will be the total value of the business. This is also called the capital. And what is the purpose of international accounting standards? And D option is correct, to make it easier to compare financial statements prepared in different countries. If all accountants in the world will use international accounting standards, so D, in every country we can compare the financial statements. It is easy to compare the financial statements that are prepared in the different countries.